There are people becoming millionaires with faceless AI videos. Like this guy, Jake Tran, who's pulling in $250,000 a month with his faceless YouTube content. And YouTube just made it so easy to do this with their just released AI tool. And in just a few steps, you can generate a great looking AI video using directly through the YouTube app. And this video can get views and generate cash for you 24/7. Now, Google's revolutionary new Veo 2 AI video generator, it is in high demand. People are looking everywhere to get access to it. And right now they snuck it behind the scenes and made it available for free through the YouTube app. And this is what powers everything that I'm going to show you today. And in my opinion, Veo 2 beats all of the other video generators by a long shot right now. And up until now, the only way to access Veo 2 was by a private invite. You had to apply and then hope that Google would invite you in to get access to Veo 2. And then there are other people that are spending a fortune trying to get access to this tool. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get it for free. Then I'll show you how to use it. And be sure you watch to the end. You're going to want to see this because I'll reveal the 3 best strategies on how to make money with Veo 2 and the YouTube app that I'm about to show you. So are you ready? Then let's dive in. So as you can see over here, there is a deck that accompanies this training, and it's going to show you step by step how to do everything I'm going to talk about today. And it's going to have resources, some case studies, some how-to information, a bunch of useful, valuable stuff. And I'd like to give it to you for free. So I want to let you know, I'll drop a link in the comments below and down in the description where you can download this deck for free. All we ask is that you join our Ingeniosity newsletter. That newsletter is free. If you do, this deck will go into our library. We have a library of different playbooks, decks, resources, case studies, and all of it will be available to you for free. So if you'd like to get access to this, then definitely subscribe to our Ingeniosity newsletter. So with that, let's dive in and get started. Now, getting access to this tool is quite easy. So the app is simply the YouTube video app. It's hiding in plain sight, and no one's talking about this. So you literally just open up your YouTube app, so the one that you watch videos on. So you want to make a channel. That's really simple steps. It takes literally like 30 seconds to make your first channel. And then you simply click, I'll show you here, you click the little plus button, and that's what gets the process started. And that's it. With that, you can get started. And I'll show you here. Once you get started, we can tap and click the little create. You see the create there? And that's what gets the process started. And you can see right here, it says create video. Describe what you would like to create. So you can literally just describe, let's say, a dragon flying through the sky with an AI android. I'm just typing this on my phone here. An AI android throwing money into the wind. And then we're going to hit create. And it's actually going to work now, and it is creating our video. And we'll talk more about the step-by-step process. There's more to it, but I just wanted to show you just how easy it is to get that started. And once it's done being created here, I'll show you what it comes up with. And this is using Google's Veo 2 video generation engine to make those videos. And you can see right now it's busy making 4 versions. Here we go. So it's giving me 4 versions of my Android on a dragon throwing money into the wind. And I am going to go, I like the red dragon, so I'm going to go with this one. And so you can see there it is there, and we can click create video. So it first starts out with an image, and you look at those 4 images and you pick the one you like, and then you say create video. And as you can see, it is busy making that video now. And we'll see how long it takes. Hopefully it does it pretty quickly. So look at that. That is pretty cool. So I didn't know that's what I just literally thought that up as we were here, prompted it very simply without much thought, and look what I got. So then we can go on, and there are more steps that I'll talk about in a moment. And not only can you now stitch together a completely 100% AI video, you can add music, you can add a voiceover, you can add an AI voiceover onto this if you would like to. And you can create an entire video, whether you're making a viral video that you want to get organic exposure for free, or you could even make little ads out of these videos. It's quite cool. Now, here's an example, by the way. This is on my channel. I'll show you this. I'm going to play this quick little video. I made this. I'm not kidding. I made the entire video you're about to see. I just thought of it just off the top of my head. I didn't try to perfect it. I didn't try to make it look nice. I just wanted to see how quickly could I make a video. And in just a couple of minutes, like less than 5 minutes, I made this video and published it on my YouTube channel. And here, I'll just play it for you now so you can see exactly what it is. Google's amazing AI Veo2 tool was just released in the YouTube app. And if you have ever wanted to make a cyclone of cash, this is electrifying because you can use it to make a video just like this one, which I made using Veo2 on my phone on the YouTube app. It was easy. And if you've ever wanted to have a faceless YouTube channel or you've wanted to promote your business on YouTube without showing your face, this is how to do it. Check out the training below on how step-by-step. So there you go. That is an example of one that with no pre-planning, I didn't even know how to use the app. It was the very first time I opened it up and tried to make it myself. And that's what we created. So imagine after some practice of learning how to use it, learning how to prompt with it, the high quality of video that you can create. Oh, also, there's a couple more examples. Let me just pull those up and show them. So these are examples of the kinds of videos that you can create. So like you can see that dog there diving underwater. That was made with Veo2, whether it's this one here, another example. We'll take a look at this one. Really high quality video. That is the point. The model excels at making some really, really good video. So making these videos is incredibly easy. The steps are simple. First, you make a video like I showed you on screen here. And you can make a series of scenes. Like if you noticed in that example, there were 5 different scenes. Each one was a few seconds in length. So you make a combination of, you do one scene after another simply by prompting like I showed you there. So if we hit continue on my phone, we'll have the opportunity to then prompt it again and add more and more clips into my video. And here there's some chances to adjust. You can clip it so I can cut down into different lengths and sizes, and then we can just keep adding more and more and more to it. So if I go back through and now I can prompt it again. And so now I could say a mechanical dragon flying through we'll keep it on a dragon, flying through the air, breathing a cloud of money. Okay, we'll hit create. And so we go through this process and we'll go frame by frame, adding more videos. And when I did this, again, it took like 2 minutes to go through this process. And if you don't see what you like, you can just reprompt it and you assemble almost like Lego blocks that you're putting together into a series of frames. So that's the first part. Then from there, you can actually record your voice. Like I literally just spoke into my microphone and recorded my voiceover to add my voiceover on top of it. Then they have a library of music. So you can literally pick from their music library and add a background track right from the mobile app. Then it all comes together. You can also put captions. Like you saw the big, bold yellow captions. That happened automatically. It just listened to my voice. It created those captions, and then it launched it. Now, if you're in a position where you don't want to use your voice, you can also use a tool like 11 Labs to pre-record a voice, have it on your phone, and upload it to be able to make a custom voice in somebody else's voice if you don't want to use your own. And it is very, very simple. And at the end, you just click post, and it puts a short form video straight to your YouTube channel so it can get views, it can get eyeballs, and get traffic, which ultimately means you can build your list, you can make money with your business, or you can make money directly on YouTube with just these short videos. And there are 3, count them 3 different business models on how you make profit using this strategy. So now what I'd like to do is walk through those with you and talk about each of these business models and why you should be using them to make money with the new Veo2 through the YouTube mobile app. So the first way to make money with this is by simply uploading these shorts to YouTube to grab eyeballs, grab attention, and funnel people over to join your email list. And this is my favorite way to monetize video and social media traffic, is to get people off of YouTube, off of Facebook, off of TikTok, wherever they are, and get them onto my email list. Because from there, I can sell them things, whether I'm selling affiliate products where I promote other people's stuff for a commission, or I promote my own products. I've got a variety of ways now to make money because I have pulled those people off of social and got them on my list. Now, I've recorded an entire video training that walks you through how to use this business model and how to make profit. So you can merge together the training that I've given you in this video along with the training that you'll see in this video right here. So I will link to this in the comments and description below. So you can go watch that video next. It talks about how to make money with your list and using this strategy. So number 2 is to promote affiliate products. I kind of teased that before, but even if you don't want to build a list, you can promote affiliate products directly through your YouTube Shorts channel. So whether you take these videos and you'll put them on YouTube Shorts, you can share them in other places as well. And in each of these places, you can promote affiliate products. So you could be making custom videos on a particular topic, theme, or type of product, and then just link to these products for sale somewhere else. They're not your products. You're not selling them, whether you link to Amazon or any of the other tens of thousands of different affiliate programs out there, and you get paid commission off of the clicks that come from those videos. So that's the second way. And I also have a step-by-step training on how to do this. So you'll see again, that is over there. I'll link to it in the comments and description below. You can go watch that. It's on my channel, totally free, and it teaches you exactly how you can make money with affiliate marketing. But now take this new YouTube VO2 strategy and merge it together with what I teach in that video, and you can make a lot of money, and you don't even need to sell anything of your own. They do it for you. Rounding it up here with number 3, sell a course. So if you've been following me for long, you know that this is one of my favorite ways of making money, and that is to sell a course. And what I like to do is create a step-by-step course, a comprehensive, a big course that has a lot of value in it, and I like to sell it for a little bit of money. So I take a big valuable course, sell it for a little bit of money, and I attract people to come buy that course from me. This model works perfectly with that. By the way, this is something that I help people with. So we have an entire tool suite of AI tools that help you set up, launch, and build your course business just like this. And you can go step by step through this process, and it just does it for you. It's called Push Button AI. You might be familiar with it. Again, you answer 2 questions, you hit a button, and it will build your entire course business that you would be looking for. Now, if you've downloaded the slide deck, I'll put a quick link to right there. You just click that link. You'll be able to go experience a live demo of how to do this. And they'll show you, by the way, you sign up here. On the next page, you'll be able to learn a little bit more and book a time in the calendar. And my team will actually pull it up on Zoom and show you how it works. So now you can take this business model of having a course, like our system will make your entire course business. It writes your emails, writes your sales pages, it creates the course, installs the site, sets up your web hosting, does everything for you so that then you can use this VO2 YouTube strategy to drive traffic to your course that is for sale and make money. That is my favorite way of doing this, driving people from social into either your mailing list or an inexpensive training. This is the way to do it. And our system will do all of this for you. Well, this is fantastic because now you have a literally free way to promote a business and make money. And you can use the 3 different business models that I just talked about to put cash in your pocket. Or if you'd like to, you can just keep making these videos. And when you get enough views on your YouTube channel, YouTube will pay you for continuing to get eyeballs and views and activity on your YouTube channel. So you can make money literally by just keep uploading these videos over and over and over again and getting views and eyeballs on the YouTube app. They'll pay you for it. And that's probably the easiest one. It takes a little bit more time. So it takes more patience, more time, and you can do that as well. So I hope at this point, you've gotten some value out of this training. Let me know, did I open your mind to a new way of generating profit or traffic or a way of making money online? Let me know in the comments down below. You see them down there. And also, I have a reward for the person who uses the words, make money with Google VO2. If you use that exact phrase, make money with Google VO2, drop that into a clever comment down below. I'm going to pick my favorite, and I have a reward for you. So, which you're going to be only one winner. I'll surprise you on what the reward is, but it will be valued at least at $100. So there'll be one winner who drops a comment below and says literally make money with Google VO2. Come up with some other clever way to use that in the comment, and I will reward one lucky person. Also, make sure you've subscribed to the channel. We release content like this all the time, and I hope to see you on a future video or maybe on my live show that we do every Wednesday. And with that, I'm going to head out of here. Goodbye for now. You may or may not know, I have an AI tool that's a company called Push Button AI that helps people build course businesses. It builds the whole business, bottom to top. It helps you do the research to pick the niche market, helps you figure out what topics you should write about, what your course should be about, what the lessons should be about. It outlines the lessons. It writes the whole thing. It creates your sales page. It creates your page to get leads to subscribe to your business. It even writes your email sequence. It does audiobooks, video trainings, and a whole lot more. You just answer 2 questions and you hit a button, and it does it all. If you're interested in that, certainly you can book a demo to see it for yourself. You'll see with your own eyes. We're often running webinars and other trainings as well, so I'll drop links to either our webinar or our demos down below so you can check it out and see if it's something for you. But I found that most people get really overwhelmed and frustrated with the technical stuff. So that's why we created Push Button AI. If you're looking for a tool, we'll just do it for you, and it'll just handle the technical stuff. So when it comes to like setting up your web hosting, registering a domain name, setting up your email marketing, we even include a complete, fully functional email marketing platform that you can log into and email all of your customers and subscribers. It's all included. And all of the tech setup is done by the AI. If you want that, then definitely schedule your demo. You can get a demo from us by going to pushbutton.ai/demo. Now, at the time of recording this video, Pushbutton AI is not publicly for sale, but if you book a demo, they'll show you the technology, and if it makes sense, if it's something that can really help you, they'll invite you into our early access program. But what they'll do first is show you the technology. They'll talk about what kind of a course you might want to make. They'll talk about your business plans. They'll help guide you on what the right choices are for creating your first course business. And then if it makes sense, if it's the right tool for you, they'll invite you into the early access program. But check out the demo. It's mind-blowing. Again, that's at pushbutton.ai/demo. That's pushbutton.ai/demo.